guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can color grade your videos so it kind of looks like the Wes Anderson video trend. Go to effects and go to filter, and go to movies and add in the dispatch one. I know a lot of people use the green and orange one, but there's none in CapCut PC. So I just use this one because it's kind of giving that green orange tone, and I'm going to adjust it a little bit. Then you are going to go to adjustment, add in a custom adjustment, go to basic and adjust the temperature a little bit. It doesn't have to be accurate, you can just adjust it to your liking, as well as the contrast. Then go to this color thing, and you are first going to go to the green bit right here and adjust the hue and saturation and brightness because we want some of that turquoise sky to show. Then we're going to go to the orange one and adjust the hue and brightness for the orange. And then we're going to select the red and adjust the hue and brightness a little bit to show a little bit of redness, essentially. Go to yellow and adjust the hue a little bit. Then we're going to go to curves and we're going to go to the red one. We're going to add a beat here. And then here we're going to move it down just a little bit. And here is what the results look like. This is the after, of course. And this is without the color grading. There's a big difference to it, as you can see. I'm just going to, can I create a compound clip? Oh, no, I can't. But that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!